I'm gonna go to Tim Hortons, and that's one of those. And that's the I don't know, it's a city bus or train they have here. So that's it right there, guys. And I'm going to Tim Hortons. I don't have much to do today. It's busy. Alright guys, so this is how inside Tim Hortons is. Not much going on in here. So I'm gonna walk to get some patties so I can just put in the car. So after, then I can just go home again to me, and I'm gonna show you some of the street view. I'm gonna show you the tower, the CN Tower. You can go eat right there. There's a Jamaican restaurant. I didn't go in, but I am assuming they sell everything Jamaican. Alright. Stuff. So this is the CN Tower, and it's fall. When I run one, that's the bus. And I am on Dundas Street. Let's take a minute and get some bubbles. It's so pretty. I like the drawings on the walls. You see these guys? That's cute. And this is a park as well. I'm coming around, guys, so I walk right around because the hospital is right there. Okay, that's the hospital. So I just make like a U-turn, so to speak, just to show you a little bit. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello. Yeah, I'm Catholic. Yeah, Torontonian. Yeah.
Yeah.
My old time friend. Yeah, and a new friend.
Oh, hi. How are you? I'm from Cambridge, so I don't know the area.
I had a job there. I was paid for training there.
Yeah.
And I got caught in that snowstorm last year on the 401 going back to Toronto. I don't blame you.
Yeah, it's a long drive, eh?
It's a long drive, but it's worth it.
Yeah. So I'm just showing my YouTube people a little bit of.
Please do.
What you call this area?
This is friendly.
Kensington Market. Kensington Market.
Oh, it's Kensington Market. Oh, because you can get stuff to buy on the side of the street. And
It's a market in general.
It's an old market with a lot of history in Toronto.
yeah.
It's gentrified over the years. It went through different phases from being a Jewish market, Irish market, Portuguese market, but now it's everything.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Nice playing.
He knows. You want to sing it? Oh, cheer it up, baby. Love with you.
It's my birthday today.
Get good taste now.
Yeah.
Yo. Kensington Market, baby. Come on down to Toronto.
Yeah.
What's your name, darling?
Tionia.
Tionia, come and shake my hand.
Ah,
Nice to meet you, darling.
nice to meet you.
Jonathan Tionia.
Ah, nice to meet you.
Happy
John.
birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
I'm 42 now.
I don't believe it.
That's the ID.
Oh, I don't believe it.
I am. It's 1980. I'm a 80 baby.
Oh shit.
I am a 80 baby. Yeah.
85 still alive.
Yeah, yes.
40.
Yeah, yes.
Just steer it up,
Woo!
little darling. Just steer it up.
How you doing? Good. I'm just I'm 68, so this is
Just steer it up,
It sounds so good.
little darling. Just steer it up. It's been a long time since I've got you on my mind. Now that you're near, it's so clear what we can do. Just me and you, yeah. Just steer it up,
Ooh, baby.
little darling. Just
Steer it up.
come on, mama. Just steer it up, little darling. Just steer it up. Come on, sugar. Said I'll push the wood, blaze your fire, and satisfy your heart's desire. And I'll steer it, yeah, every minute, yeah. All you got to do, honey,
Yeah.
is keep it in your hand, just steer it up, little darling, just
steer it up.
just steer it up, little darling, just
Steer it up.
Says I'll push the wood, blaze your fire, and satisfy your
Yeah.
heart's desire. I'll steer it, yeah, every minute, yeah. All you got to do, honey, keep it in your hand, just steer it up,
Come on now, baby.
little darling, just steer it up. Come on, mama, just steer it up, little darling, just steer it up, just steer it up.
Thank you.
For your birthday.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. God bless. All right. He sang for me. Yeah, that's so nice. You get clothes to buy. Everything. Used, new. Oh my God, what the price? $28. Oh yeah. Some bling dress. This is so bling. Some bling stuff. How much for these food poppers?
I love what you call them. But these are 35.
35.
Yeah.
Nice. You have nice colors.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
I don't know if you will keep. Hi, how are you? Oh, $6. Snapper?
Maganda.
What's this? Oh, this is butterfish, right?
Yeah.
Which is the best fish to steam?
Well, see what that one.
The butter one? I know one head likes this one.
How many you want? 2 of them?
This one looks nice. I take this one. And Which other one you think?
Two of them?
Yeah. Nice for steaming.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy fish for steaming. Yeah.
17.
Okay.
Some of it in the mouth,
Special Caribbean yellow. Oh, it's a yellow thing.
the small one.
Yeah, the small one. You on my YouTube now?
Mira. Chucha chumar. Capitão. Chucha chumar, capitão. Esse golaço.
It's good?
No.
That's garbage thing.
When he's no good and he scores, he's no good. When they don't score, they're good.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
A distância vai estar com ele.
YouTube now. You.
Yeah, baby, do it! Essa vez, glorioso!
Toronto? Yeah?
Toronto, Jamaica.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Do it whatever you want to.
Ay.
To me, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
17.
Okay.
I'm gonna be famous.
Yeah, he gonna be famous.
Hey, what's the name of the channel?
Tiona Style. Tionia Style.
Style?
Yeah, style.
STYLE.
believe me.
No, I
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
How you say bye in your language? What language you speak?
Até logo.
Oh, you're Portuguese?
Yeah, até logo.
What, obrigado?
Obrigado.
Ah,
Até logo.
How you say bye?
Até logo.
Atelo?
Atelo.
Okay, obrigado.
Até logo.
Bye-bye. Crazy in there. They're really crazy in there. So loud. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna get some patties. Jamaican patty. Yes, I. Oh, I go on, man. Yeah. And you know, so anyway, you see this store, guys, you know, see a Jamaican. I do it. Yeah. You can get lots of stuff to buy. Alright guys, I want a brownie, but this is the one they have. Got so much patties for the kids. All right, guys. I reached back in the car and I say me hot. Look at me in a sweater. Wait 1 second. Let me take off the sweater. Yeah. I'm happy today that I get to spend today with him. This is the one day have. Got. I got. Ooh, so much patties for the kids. This is the one day have. So much patties for the kids. 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 So much patties for the kids I think in his heart it must make him feel really, really good. So it makes me feel good to know that he's alive to see my birthday, and I was able to share it with him. All right. Just a little I love you and know that you're there. That's good enough. You know what I mean? So yeah. Kind of sweet but sour at the same time. Feel something running in your jawbone, but look a bit of sweet and sour. Oh, you see, this is my Jamaican thingy here, my glove. So basically, guys, 4 or 5 minutes. Oh, okay. Oh God, we can't talk though. We have to give God thanks for life. Try to go home before it turn night, because I want to see the kids, you know, for the rest of my birthday. All right, guys, I'm home, and from Toronto. I just want to show you what I got. Okay, so I got 3 boxes of patties. My little grocery haul, 2 in the air fryer already. So I got 3 boxes, 1 in the freezer. I got this peanut drops. Some people say peanut drops, some say peanut cake. Depends on which part of Jamaica you come from. So this, I know it has peanut drops, but some people say peanut cake. My husband said peanut cake, but I know it has peanut drops. But on it did say peanut drops. I said 2 big butterfish. Look how them big and nice, guys. The man put them in some ice for me so they could stay until I got 3 buns. Don't want to touch it because my hand is raw. I have 2 nice avocado. I'm gonna eat some now with maybe half of the bowl here. And then I saw 1 piece of real Jamaican yellow pumpkin. Look there, guys. These are the real yellow pumpkin. Me always tell my husband, say make sure yellow. So I got this. I paid $3 something for it. It's a slice of pumpkin. I think I'm gonna make some pumpkin soup. I haven't made soup in a while, guys. Maybe I make pumpkin soup or pumpkin rice, but I think pumpkin soup is good. Just gonna get a piece of beef bones, few chicken legs, and make some soup with 2 caramel dumplings and maybe a piece of yam. Oh, yam so expensive now, guys. Oh. But that's it. All right, these are the patties. The girl's gonna have them now. All right, guys, so love upon me and I love upon you, and I give God thanks again. I live to see another birthday, and I'm walking, I'm talking, and I have a little bit of health and strength, and God be praised. Thank you, guys. I remember to you must be wondering how you girls buy bun and bulla. I'm not buying no cheese, but I bought pear to put the bulla. But I have cheese. Oh, low battery. I have cheese, guys. My husband brought cheese and I have a lot, so I'm not gonna eat off all of it. Eating some bun and cheese with some tea.